such a perfect day. We were so laid back, just watching the waves. It was our time. There was no rain. We would just love, then do it all again. The sun set for the last time. Oh, I hate to say goodbye, 'cause we had such a good time. Here's a toast to the good life.
Thank you so much, Philippine Embassy of Spain, and of course from Department of Foreign Affairs, Department of Tourism, Philippines, for this Fiesta Filipinas kit. Thank you so much. Hi guys! Bubuksan natin ngayon, or let's unbox the Fiesta Filipinas kit with some friends! Mabuhay! Okay, let's see kung anong meron dito sa ating Fiesta Filipinas box. Oh, Char! What is this? Oh, these are the guides. Oh. For coming, and yes, wow, we are all wearing floral outfits. Gawa, yes. I could still remember the Flores de Mayo sa atin.
Oh,
Have you been?
Especially para Santa Cruz,
Oh, Santa Cruz, mga ganon.
Maria Elena.
Nakasali ako dyan.
Oh, in fairness, in fairness. Richard, can you explain to Leo and Moss what are those events? Chloe, maybe you can share to Leo what is
Your experience.
Flores de Mayo.
It's an event, sa church, no?
As a church.
Sa church.
Normally,
Normally
organized by the church.
Organized by the church.
Uh-huh.
Tapos, we dress like very flowery.
Mm-hmm.
Merong Maria Elena.
Arena, that's Santa Cruz, no? Flores de Mayo, Santa Cruz.
Tapos may parade with the Virgin Mary.
Mm. Do you have something like that, like festival in your country? Not really. Event. Well, you should come to the Philippines. And, yeah.
But you've been to the Philippines.
Mhm.
Pinagbenta.
It's
The
not
correct
like-
pronunciation is panagpanga.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. We have learned something today. But anyway, I like this one. This peanut brittle. This is my favorite.
Can I try it, Shana?
It's more fun in the Philippines!